Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here. Today I'm going to unbox this packet. So let's see what is inside this packet. It- Wow. Oh, a webcam. So it's a video cam. Sorry, yaar. Huh? So it's a web company video cam 4K Ultra HD webcam. So let's open this box. So we have, what is this? I think there is a card. I don't know what is the use of this card. I don't know. I believe. Okay. For manual, I need to scan this barcode. Okay. And inside this, there is, okay, this one. So this is the webcam with, okay, USB. Yeah. And okay, that's great. So we can attach like this. You can see it. That's great. And there is a one cover. If there is use, then we can uncover. If there is no use, then we can cover this camera. Okay, that's great. I love that. And what is inside? Okay, okay, there is one connector. You can see. I think it's a Type C. Yeah, you can see that. You can see. So we got in this box one webcam and another one connector. So these are the two things we got inside the box. And there is one manual, or you can say barcode that we have to scan. There is one card. I don't know what is the use of this. Okay, I will check out later on. So these are the things we got, and this is the box. Okay, so yes, down below I will put the link. If you want to buy this webcam, down below I will put the link. You can buy this webcam using my affiliate link, and definitely this is my affiliate link. If you buy this webcam using my link, I will get commission. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can ask your question down below. I would be so happy to answer your questions. Okay, so bye bye.